The GH7 has the capability to record in Cinema 4K and 4K at 120p to get those super slow motion shots when they matter the most. To access this, work your way down to image format, record quality, display filtering, frame rates, and here you can select your option. Once you hit OK, you'll have your 5 options to select from depending the quality that you need for your shoot. You have Cinema 4K, 4K, and 3 Full HD ones, but if you want the best quality, select from these 2. When shooting in Vlog, the GH7 can capture 13 plus stops of dynamic range. To select Vlog, click Image Quality, work your way down to Photo Style, and scroll through the menu until you find Vlog. Once you find Vlog, click Set, and you're ready to go. The LUMIX GH7 also has the capability to record an ARRI LogC3 that is sold separately through a software upgrade key. This allows filmmakers to match ARRI cinema cameras by using the GH7 as a crash cam or a B cam. To install ARRI LogC3, make sure you have a freshly formatted SD card inside of your camera. Next, work your way down to the Settings tab and select Activate. In this menu, select Export Serial Code and select your SD card. Select Yes to start processing. Now you could remove your memory card. Work your way down to this website and select the third option titled DMW-SFU3A. In this new window, click on Choose File and navigate through your private folder until you find your serial file and submit it. This will bring you to a new window where you will type in your software key. Once you've done that, click on Save to Memory Card and it will download your activation file. Now just drag that file back into your activation folder on your SD card. Eject your card and place it back into your camera. Work your way back to the activation section and select it. And in here, choose Import Activation Code and select your SD card and start processing. Once it finishes, power off the camera and power it back on. And now you've successfully activated ARRI LogC3. To select it, go through your menu and select Photo Style. Now simply scroll through the menu until you find ARRI LogC3 and press Set, and you're ready to go. With a dynamic range boost mode, the GH7 combines multiple images shot at the same time, but are sent through different gain circuits. To enable the dynamic range boost mode, work your way through the menu until you find i.Dynamic range, and in here you'll have your 4 options: low, standard, high, and auto. Color grading this footage is a breeze, and you could get natural or stylized looks.